Introducing the multi-purpose baler from Sinobaler.
The multi-purpose Sino Marine Baler, designed and built exclusively for MARSAL Waste Management Limited, located on the island of Cyprus, one of the largest ship management clusters in the world. The multi-purpose baler is small and compact, the perfect baler for a variety of applications and uses. With a max force of 20 tons, this baler can handle a variety of materials, from soft waste, ASC cardboard, paper, textiles, cans, and film. The multi-purpose baler is fitted with a chain for easy ejection and has an extremely small footprint, reducing space and height requirements. Forget those messes and spills, the multi-purpose baler has a liquid drainage tray, as well as an ample-sized feeding door. The electrical controls are compact and easy to use, allowing operation to be quick and hassle-free.
One of the great things about the multi-purpose baler, apart from its small and convenient size, is just how easy it is to operate. Let me show you.
Operation of the multi-purpose baler is simple. Step 1. Flip the main breaker inside the electrical box and ensure power is correctly supplied to the machine. The light on the outside should now be on. Step 2. Loading. Load the material through the feeding door until deemed full. Close the door, activating the safety switch and allowing the hydraulics to operate. The simple lever control allows you to manually operate platen compression and retraction. Pull the ram control lever up and the platen will compress. Watch your gauges, they will tell you when the ram has reached optimal compression. As soon as optimal compression is reached, move the lever down, raising the platen and allowing you to continue loading. When the bale is complete, you can begin step 3, tying the bale. Tying the bale on a multi-purpose baler is a cinch. Simply use the included threader bar to pass the strap material through the bottom of the bale from back to front. Tie down each strap tightly and repeat the steps for as many straps as your machine requires. We're almost finished. Step 4 is ejection. Our chain ejection system makes this step totally hands-free. Once you connect the chain to the back lifting hook, raise the main ram off the completed bale, lifting the chain from under the bale and safely and effectively allowing the bale to exit the machine. It's that simple. Just remember to stay safely out of the way of the front of the machine while the bale is being ejected. Remember to perform all required maintenance and check hydraulic systems before operation, and see our easy to understand troubleshooting guide for any potential problems or questions. Sinobaler, your baling solution. Please contact MARSAL Waste Management Limited for further information.